unattended items will be removed by the airborne police.
Hi.
How you doing?
For your cooperation.
Hello. Oh, these are the. How much is one? What? $4? What the heck? Just for this? Is this big enough? Normally I thought it's longer, the one they use.
Well, the ones they use are, but I don't see any. I don't see any
Oh.
cars. I don't see anybody anywhere.
What the heck? Oh well. It's kind of small, huh? I know. What the heck?
Get the box first.
Okay.
Well, we take him.
Let's see, this way. Oops. Let's see.
Take
Oh, that one.
Let's see. I got an idea.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Back there, then you come back. I will go
You mean drop it?
yeah,
From-
just put it up in line. Yeah, that's
Oh crap.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah. Tapos. Oh. Oh, he's over there. Oh, I guess he come to help.
I think we had you guys in the morning.
Oh yeah, well we here. Sometimes we
Oops.
just have to step aside to get us.
Well,
Oh.
I did buy silver.
So,
Oh yeah.
we could have gotten him rather than get that. Oh, oh, he got it.
Get your little bag.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much at the top of my list right
Saka si Ate Rita. Bakit? Bakit? Oh. Hindi, teka lang. Kasi sila, oh, hindi pa nila binaan. Eh, anong gagawin natin?
Hindi dapat siya check in at saka yung isang punto. Pero yung hindi check in. Yung pa ng dati ng pera yun.
Ah, crap.
Tanggal mo ito.
Bigat na ba? Ako'y maiihi.
Your activity is not here.
Did you call her?
Yeah.
So what did she say? She's on her way? Oh, okay. Tell her to hurry up. That way we can all check in.
What time is your flight out of here?
Should say 7 or something like that.
We are also together with the other two.
Oh, don't worry. So, yes,
Oh.
it's right now.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay, they're ready.
Nagre-record na ako. Nagre-record na ako. Gusto niyo magpalinis ng sapatos? Yan o. Hindi ba halata na ako'y Hindi, tingnan nyo lang. Halata ba? Hindi. Kasi that's very high tech. Saka na. Ako papanoorin. Ayan, din eh. Para malambot. Oh. Ah, heck. Crap. Really? What the shit? Gusto niya ng coffee. Meron akong pera. Sabi ko binigyan ako ng $40 ng boss ko. Para
Ano bigay mo sa akin ako dito?
sure. O ilagay ko na lang nasa wallet eh. Bahala kayo. Siya nagbigay. Sabi here, bili mo yung hat. Ano pa ba? He said buy the ano nga bin?
Kwintas.
Hindi yung hat daw na pang farm pati ay yung kwintas para sawa pati yung golf ball na may Philippines na pangalan. Hindi magtanong tayo. Meron namang pagtatanungan dun, di ba? Kahit cheap, hindi naman expensive ang hinasabi niya. So yung natira daw, ako raw bahala. Sabi raw niya pag may natira, akin na lang. Thank you daw yun sa hard work ko. Thank you daw sa hard work, sabi. Ganun daw.
Saan?
Sa hard work. Binigyan pa nga kami ng inom bago umalis ako. Yung parang soft drink. Soft drink. Binili kami. Kasi palagi akong nag-i-stay ng late overtime, di ba? I'm always staying overtime, so yun ang reward ko. Diba? Sana ang binigay niya malaki. Like maybe $100. Sabi ko, he should have given me like $100. Dala kayong cellphone nyo. Ha? Can you carry that here? You want me to carry it? O nahirapan kayo? Nahirapan kayo? Ako man. Pag ako nagagala sa mall, ito, nagaganto ako. Sa Penn Square, sa Cold Spring, yeah. Hindi ko pa natatapos eh. Naiwanan ko yung mga video dun sa computer na isa. Yung iba, sinaling ko rin sa laptop. Para dun ako mag-edit sa Pilipinas. Kaya ako nag-ano ng laptop.
Kung bawal yun, dito naka-stock.
Hey, you like my camera?
Yeah.
I'm recording you right now.
Okay.
See, look.
Ano may mga ano sila, may mga
Hey, you like my camera? I'm recording you. Just by looking. I'm recording now. Yeah.
camera.
See, look.
Wow, buti hindi nag-show dun sa ano.
They don't know.
Laptop lang niya na ano.
Yung laptop kaya you have to check it.
Yeah.
iPad naman yan. Laptop
Tablet.
lang.
Pag tablet okay lang.
Oh, tablet okay lang. Ako dala ko yung tablet.
Meron akong
Number niyo.
16.
Oh, layo.
Ano?
11 ka din, di ba?
Hindi ako kakalapit lang. 16.
11B.
Ha?
11B.
Kami 16.
Oh. Later na lang. Oh. How's Philip? Okay. Busy.
Kung hindi lang, kung wala pa sa tuwing pasok ko, kasama ko rin.
College, di ba? Is college? Oh, okay.
Buti nakakuha sa ano.
Yeah.
Wala pa tayong
Ma-
sa international.
Ako na, I don't know.
My boss asked me to buy.
Kasi kung alam ko lang na gano'n, kami nang gumawa ni Rantes.
Ay, di nga nila may bigay yung passport ng ano eh, ng
Yeah, Tarita.
travel agency.
How much
Ganyan
did
lang
you have to pay?
pinukulit ko
200?
Hindi
200 bucks?
Basta sabihin mo lang
Magkano kayo nagbayad?
Me 200 yung ano, yung bag.
300.
What the heck? 200 bucks yung binayad niya Tarita.
Kasi tatlo yung kanya, dalawa lang dapat ang alam.
What the heck? That's expensive. That's a lot of money. What the
Ano
heck?
ng excess baggage mo? 300 daw nagbago mo.
Isa.
300 lang.
Yeah, kasi nagsumubra ng dalawa yung ano, isa.
Maliit lang naman yung box mo. Maliit lang yung dalawa lang yung ano ko, di ba?
Eh, ang timbang ko dun sa ano, yung timbang ko dun sa bahay, saktong 50. Less than 48. Ewan ko kung bakit.
Sabi nung
Wait, where's the mess? Oh.
Ano mo?
Hmm?
Yung kaya yung kita mo.
We'll just scan them as you come through.
Kanya-kanya to.
Either way. It should be in there. It was remarked. Yeah, she told you that. That's in there. It's hers.
Yan. We just follow. Ba't ako kasama din?
Ha?
Ba't ako kasama din?
Matulog tayo eh, family eh.
Oh. Okay. Family ako. Eh, ako'y very young. I'm not old. It's very,
Our bodyguard.
it's not fair. Tingnan ako. So, job nila yun pag nagpupush.
A little bitty
Ah.
camera back.
That's really part of their job. Eh, you know, the pushing the wheelchair. Part ng job yun. Oh,
I've already got it. You're good, thank you.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Uy, yung jacket niyo, Mi. Mi yung jacket niyo. Mi, yung jacket niyo nag-i-slide. Pamahulog.
The company has needed this.
Um,
I'll get you a little closer.
that one needs a key, right?
See where they can unlock it. He's in it though.
Yeah, the key's in it.
Sorry.
I'll get you a little closer. Hang on just a second before you go. Don't let her get out.
Ano yung tine-check boarding pass? Yeah.
Hindi ka nang wheelchair over there. Yes, yes, yes. Ate. Ingat ka, ano ba yan? Naman, naman. Ano ba naman nangyari sa'yo kasi?
May problema sa ako.
Ano?
Taking medication.
Meron yan available sa'yo. Bahala sa'yo. Pag wala, bahala ka.
Ana, hanapin kita dito.
Thank you, ate.
Oh, sige.
Ah, Filipino din.
Salamat.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Do you guys have me to
Oh.
put that in
Yeah,
there?
okay. I hope.
Uy!
Ano may
Nauna na
sinunod
sa akin eh.
Bakit ako nagsasabi
Hindi pa nga ako nakakasakay, Sir Jim.
Okay. Ano yun? Baka mabigat.
Dahil yan, hindi nga tayo kumakain ng umaga.
Oh,
You got it?
Get it.
Okay. Ano ba yan? 11B.
malayo pa pala.
Ito, kailangan ng tulong. Tulungan nyo.
Hindi, ano lang. Punta mo sa
What?
operator.
Here? What? Di pa no.
Ay, wala, di ba kadaan eh.
I cannot get through if I, you know.
Gilid mo muna para makadaan kami.
I don't know where you want it.
Ano ba? Kasama ka, Alina.
A17 daw.
A17.
17. Right here, this side. 17.
Oh,
This side.
A17.
Paglagay mo na siya.
Okay, which one?
Right there.
Where do you want it?
Yeah,
Here. Oh, jeez. Right here.
Paglagay mo rin dyan. Dito tayo mo dyan.
Oh, where? Sure. Where at?
17 pa siya eh.
17? Okay, I'll just
Tayo na.
right here. Oh.
Pag ano.
Huh? Oh, crap. Am I over here? 11B.
Doon.
Well, tatulungan ko, sabi niyo. Oh, ay, ano ba yun? Oh.
Kaya maano.
Okay.
17.
17. Or right here?
11, 17.
11, 17.
This one for her.
Saan ba?
17
Oh.
going in there.
Ibigay mo nga
Or?
kay ano, kay Lina.
Oh, okay. 11, 17.
17 daw.
Ah, 17.
Ilagay mo nga
Ah,
muna.
dito ba siya?
Oh. Saan ka?
17.
Let me see. 17 what day? What?
This side.
Now. 17.
E.
E.
Eh.
Here. You come in here. You're
Oh.
stay in the middle.
Here, I'll get it for you.
Yan na. Oh, sige, palagay mo na dito.
Saan ka?
Okay. Here,
Okay.
I got it.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, ano ba yan?
Dito ako. Dito.
Sa gitna ka.
Oh,
Uh, no.
Eh, eh.
Move further down.
yeah.
Salamat ha.
No problem.
Salamat, JR.
No welcome.
I give you tips when we come back.
Pansit Canton.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small, lightweight items may be placed in the
Saan ako?
seat pocket. If you need assistance, please let us know.
Okay lang. Parang sa trabaho. Parang sa trabaho. Tagabuhat naman ako. Mas may nabuhat kami, mas mabigat pa dun. Yung furniture, mabigat yun. Furniture. Eh, 3 kami. Hindi namin mabuhat. Yeah, 3 people kami nagbubuhat. Hindi namin mabuhat, ang bigat ba. Kasi minsan pinapaano ng customer sa labas. Pinapalagay sa mga truck.
Pwedeng mo nga yung book.
Ha?
Ayurin mo.
Hindi ipuyod nyo. Kayo magpuyod. Wala ba rin yung saksakan ng USB?
Yung USB.
Hindi, yung saksakan ng USB. Sabi ko bigyan nila ako ng Pansit Canton in return. Paborito ko yun. Yun ang binigay sa akin ni Kisil, di ba? Ibigay sa akin ni Kisil. Cloudy pa rin kahit dito. Yung weather cloudy. Baka umulan kaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, boarding is now complete. Flight attendants, please secure the cabin for departure.
Late kasi oh, walang room. Kung matangkad ka. Kasi matangkad eh. Palit kasi tayo eh, kaya sanay eh. Ang cloudy pa rin hanggang dito. Sa Dallas kaya cloudy. Si Sharif, may balita sa kanya. Na trabaho pa rin. Mayaman na kaya yun.
The boarding doors now closed. Put away laptop computers, small handheld electronic devices may be used in airplane mode. Flight attendants, arm doors, cross-check, stand by for on call.
Na naman. Pang ilan? Baka sirain uli. Nasira niya yung kanyang impala eh. Pati
Diba, yung truck. Tapos, nakaktan yung truck. Another truck.
ay na.
Panag-brand ko, kaya nagkakaroon yung mga nanay yan.
First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelt should be fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence. To get us on our way, make sure your seat is up, all electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in
ginagamit ko
front
pa.
of you. If it won't fit, place it in
Meron
the
ko daw.
overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to
Wala tong wifi, ano ka?
You'll find our full
Hindi, ako yung
electronic
nag-
device policy in the back of your American Way. US
Pag ano lang may
law
wifi.
prohibits smoking, including smoking electronic cigarettes at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. Now let's review the safety card. Please pay close attention, and before you know it, we'll be off. All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. In a water evacuation, life rafts are in marked ceiling compartments. You'll find the exact location on your safety card.
Siyempre, ano bang gamit ito? Gasolina rin ang sasakyan.
Escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape path lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind. Just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit, and don't forget, it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cup goes over your nose and mouth like so. Then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe. Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either under or between your seat. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this.
Kayo, nakatulog
Put
kayo.
the vest over your head.
Konti.
Wrap the strap
lang.
around
Ako
your
hindi.
waist, attach the buckle, and pull
Hindi
tight.
na ako natulog.
Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate. And please, only inflate your vest outside the airplane. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it.
Maraming taong nag-attend ba nung funeral ni Grandma? Maraming taong nag-attend ng funeral ni Grandma. Ni Margaret, marami.
As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great
Lahat ng
is
mga
what
relatives
we're going
nandun.
for.
Mga Gabe.
Si Daniel hindi masyado.
May matanda na si Daniel eh.
Kasi ano ay si
Johnny.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Johnny. Alala mo yung bike, di ba bigay ng bike para sa mga
Itong aking ginagamit. Ginagamit ko pa rin. Matibay. Namimiss ko yung kotse ko.
mauuna na yun, maano.
Lagi kasi
Hindi mo na inayos yung peno. Kaya mong ayusin.
pag-uwi na lang.
Ha?
Pag-uwi na lang.
Nagamit mo na ba yung pinili mo?
Hindi, nandun pa rin sa box. Yung pag-uwi na lang ha. Tatry ko. Wala na, ubusan na tayo ng time eh. May hangin na. Wala pa rin. Kaya take off. Dito na take off yun. Tampasan kaya natin yung clouds kasi ma-cloudy. Hindi tayo lalampas dyan. Ang ano, yan o, malabo eh. Oo nga. Parang nasa langit. Parang heaven. Yan o, ganyan ang heaven.
67 na, 67.
Mainit.
67.
Cloudy pero mainit. Tatak pa rin ako. Paano kaya nahahawak ng ulap ang tubig? Hindi man dami.
Ito sa outer tension.
Nalimutan ko, nakakabingi sa tenga pala.
Naka-jeep na ako pa.
Ha?
Pa nakakapag.
Alin? Saan? Ito. Baka may bayad. Ka manonood ng movie eh, ang may mabilis lang ang flight. Ito, napanood ko na to sa sine. Ito, Assassin's Creed. Napanood ko sa sine, sabi ko.
Assassin.
Oo, napanood ko sa big screen sa Tinseltown. Ang ganda. Eh, si Will Smith oh. Hindi ko pa napapanood. Parang drama. Ito, napanood nyo na. Parang may magic. Ito, napanood ko rin to. Sa sine ko napanood. Ere. Ah,
Ano, yung bago ni
si Tom Hanks.
Keanu Reeves na manood ko na.
Anong tawag?
Ano,
Anong pangalan?
sila, ano eh.
Ah, yung assassin din, yung pumapatay siya. John Wick. Hindi pa. Yan, lampas tayo ng ulap.
Kasi bababa ako na.
Baka uulan. Magandang tingnan.
Parang ulo ka.
Oo.
Araw na nakikita dyan.
Parang cotton candy.
Nakikita yung araw.
Dito sa gilid, nakakasilong. saan lang may pwedeng tapakan. Kapal ng ulap pa ba? Takip na takip ang ano, hindi mo makita. Sobrang kapal. Yan nyo,
Madilim sa baba, di ba?
hanggang dun.
Liwanag pala sa abang.
Kaya sabi ko, lampas tayo ng ulap kanina. Kasi hindi naman ganun kababa ang lipad. So pag nagka-tornado, hindi tayo matatamaan.
From all of us at American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to Advantage and One World members. If you are not an Advantage member, you can sign up at AA.com to earn miles for today's flight and continue earning miles with our retail and travel partners. Our Advantage Aviator MasterCard is another great way to earn miles for everyday purchases and enjoy benefits such as your first checked bag free, preferred boarding, and no foreign transaction fees.